Hello viewers, in this video, I will show you how to install missing drivers in Windows. Let's follow these simple steps. First, right-click on this PC and select Manage. The Computer Management window will appear. Go to Device Manager. Here, you can see the missing driver. Right-click on the missing driver and select Properties. In this window, click on the Details tab. Under Property, select Hardware IDs. Now, right-click on the first value and select Copy. Next, open any web browser and search for this value using Google. You can download the driver from any reliable website that appears in the search results. Select your laptop manufacturer's name and then click on the Download button. Scroll down the page and click on the Download button again. If the download does not start, try option 1 or option 2. To check the download status, click on the 3 dots in the top right corner of your web browser and then go to Downloads. Here, you can see that the audio driver is downloading. After the download is complete, go to the download location. Right-click on the setup file and select Run as Administrator. The installation wizard will appear. Click on Next and complete the setup by following the on-screen instructions. Finally, click on Finish. After completing the audio driver installation, you can see that the missing driver has been fixed and the problem is resolved. Thanks for watching.